is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal.
Hello from Milan! Yay! Hello from day one in Milan. We are off to the Duomo. We're going to grab something to eat at the Duomo, nearby Duomo, because restaurants over there are open longer than the ones in the area where we are, because usually in Europe in the afternoon the restaurants shut. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we're going to go grab something to eat and then we're going to go to Duomo because we've got entry at 5 p.m. We're going to try to finish that soon so that I can go shop for something for myself, because why not? Trying to figure out train route. I feel like that's an exit. M2 is green, red is M1. We're trying to figure out underground system in Milan. It's going to be interesting. Welcome to day 2 in Milan. We are headed to Lake Como. I said welcome to day 2 in Milan and we're not even exploring Milan today. I was reading a lot of blogs and I also watched a lot of videos. People said that Milan is the best spot to stay in so that you can do a lot of day trips from here. A lot of places are an hour away. So going to Lake Como today. So Lake Como is like a massive lake, but it has lots of tiny villages and towns all around it. So we're going to one of those towns today and we'll be doing another town tomorrow. I've seen beautiful pictures, read a lot of history about the villas and stuff, so we'll see if it lives up to the hype and expectation or not. Yeah, Milan is quite big, massive, big city vibes, and that's not something that's up my alley. We saw yesterday, kind of over it, so now going to go and explore the smaller villages. And also Lake Como is known to be touristy. Although it's a small place, it can feel quite big and overwhelming, but we are hoping that because it's a shoulder month, it's October, there aren't as many tourists, and they had fashion week like 2 weeks back, so it's going to be lesser people and lesser crowded. Fingers crossed, let's see. Anyway, that's just me rambling now because I'm waiting for Dean to get ready. Guess who's ready first and who's not ready yet?
I'm ready.
You ready? Okay, so this is the fit check. This was actually my birthday outfit that I wore this year for the birthday picnic. Whoever said I don't repeat outfits in my comments, eat this. So we're gonna go now to Lake Como and off we go. We are in Lake Como. We're actually in Varenna. So this entire thing is Lake Como. There are many villages surrounding it. So we are in Varenna now. And look at the freaking views. Now going to go and hunt, figuring out the route so that we can go and have some lunch. Look at the random small. So we decided to stick to Varenna and not go to the other town opposite side of the shore. So we went to the villa called Villa Monastery. I hope I'm not butchering how it's pronounced. And we ended up spending over 2 hours there. And oh my god, this is so cute. For now, we're just going to explore this small little village. On the shores of Como with stunning views. Grab something to eat, have a light bite, have a little drink, have some gelato. Although I can't because my throat is messed up, so I'll have coffee. I'm not going to have a drink. And then that's the view. Reviews of Varenna.
Bellissimo.
10 out of 10. Welcome to day 2 in Lake Como. We've arrived from Milan in Como now. Much bigger than the town yesterday in Varenna.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Give it all up now, just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. Maybe our lives were not meant to collide from the start, but who could foresee the fall?